Now where the fuck this nigga at? Damn, where the fuck this... Where's this nigga at? Fuck. I've been waiting on this nigga for about 4 hours. Nigga left my crib last night. He said he was gonna give me the chicken sandwich. Yeah, I've been waiting on this nigga. I think he's... The fuck? I'm trying to see if he... I need that chicken sandwich. What the fuck? Let me go see if this nigga named James work here. Fuck. Girl, I gotta get my chicken sandwich. I don't give a fuck. I gotta get my chicken sandwich. Hey! Hey! Do James work here? He don't? I'm trying to get my chicken sandwich. Hey, I'm trying to get my chicken sandwich. I'm trying to get my chicken sandwich. He said, I told the nigga I wouldn't go charge him the 40 ball. I just want my chicken sandwich. Fuck.